Top 5 free websites to make money online for free in 2022. The internet today now provides several opportunities for normal people to start generating money without any upfront investment. In this video, we have compiled a list of 10 awesome websites that you can start earning money with for free without the need of investment. Website number 1 is Redbubble. This is a website that allows you to make money by creating and selling custom products online. On this website, you can sell products like t-shirts, phone cases, and hoodies with your own custom design printed on top. Website number 2 is Skillshare. This is an online community for people who want to learn from educational videos. On Skillshare, you can share your expertise to others around any topic you are passionate about, whether that is photography, illustration, or even making a latte. The great thing about Skillshare is that anyone can use this platform and start generating money with it. In fact, on average, new teachers can make anywhere between $200 to $3,000 in their first month. Website number 3 is Udemy. Similar to Skillshare, Udemy is a platform that lets you sell your own individual course on a topic. The only difference between both platforms is that Skillshare is a subscription service, whereas on Udemy, people buy your courses individually. Because of this difference, earnings on Udemy tend to be higher than Skillshare. Website number 4 is YouTube. It is actually a platform. YouTube is another great platform to share your expertise on a topic you are knowledgeable about. YouTube is something that we religiously practice here at Wholesale TED and have built a large following with as a result. But you don't need to have 4 lakh subscribers to succeed with this method. Even with a small following, you can still earn money using the right strategy. Website number 5 is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is an online media library of photos and videos that you can sell as stock footage. This is great if you're experienced in photography, as it doesn't require a huge amount of effort to start earning money. People on here make thousands of dollars per month through their portfolio. But they don't make this money through normal photos. Instead, the majority of their money is made through short clip videos filmed in 4K. If this video is really helpful for you, then please like my video. For more amazing videos about online earning and tips and tricks, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.